How to earn $5,000 re-uploading videos into YouTube without showing your face. So anybody can do this. This is a very similar video to what I've done before, where you can earn $10,000. This is $5,000. Now these amounts are really possible. I want you to take a look at this channel right here, that it's exactly on the same niche that I'm going to talk about, and it's making, the estimate here on Social Blade is making from 9,000 to 153,000 per month. Now of course this channel has already 4 million, almost 5 million subscribers. This niche right here, relaxing music, meditation, just to show that these numbers are real, are possible, and this is just counting Google AdSense money that comes from ads on YouTube alone, not counting if you would add a link to it. Now on the last video that I talked about this, the word meditation, it's trending like a lot. Let me show you. So here on YouTube, let's search meditation. This keyword right here, look, literally people going live at the moment right now. Actually this channel that I'm showing, it's live on multiple videos. And so there we go, this is the channel going live. And pretty much what this channel does, let's go here to videos, is have videos playing music behind it, meditation kind of music. And they've just add images, do effects and things like that. I'm gonna show you how in a minute how you can do this. That's all it is. At this moment, this person is doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 lives simultaneously at the same time. It is insane. Never seen anybody do this. So actually, on this live alone, we have 7,000 people watching, and this one 950, and this one 2,000, this one 1,000 currently watching. And then this video stays on YouTube, and let's click on this one. Let's just see what they have here. So literally an image behind moving with the sound just playing on the background. As you can see, the image now is changing to another one slowly. There you go, just changing from one beautiful image to the other. So what you will do is, you create yourself a YouTube channel related to meditation and relaxing music, and this is what you're gonna do. Now, I'm gonna show you. So for instance, if you want to grab this type of image, you would come to a website. It's called this one, unsplash.com. This is a website for free images. And let's just look here for meditation. By the way, the sound of the meditation it's playing behind. By the way, I myself, I listen to these sounds because I like meditation. I like to feel calm and relaxed. So I do listen. This is, really trending. So as you can see, loads of images that we have here that we can just grab, right? And just, connect them together and just do it like so. And loads of people are searching for meditation. If you do your, even a live video, you can get loads of people to watch it. How are you gonna do this? So I recommend right here, SoundCloud is the website that I recommend you go and find this type of music. Just, search for register on this website, search for meditation and, relaxing music, and, loads of artists all over the globe have songs that they want to put out there, and you just ask them permission to use their song. You can send them a message and they'll gladly, give you permission to use the song. You just, you can add a link for his SoundCloud page, and then you use their page. But there's also many websites you can, royal free music that you can go on Google and search for it, and you will find all kinds of music that you can just loop it. But I recommend you come here to SoundCloud because you get unique and different new relaxing music, and you just loop it. So now, how would you edit the video itself? Well, you can use the software that I use. You just come here to my YouTube channel, click on this to search, and click and search for edit. just edit for edit videos, right? So I have this video right here that literally teaches you how you can actually grab Final Cut. That's the software that I use, and how you can use it to go ahead and do this. But you could also use a free software, which is, this is a really good software, free software that you can download and edit the videos itself with this software. So it's shortcut.org. And this is the software. It's really it's open source software. You can come here to tutorials right here, and you can learn how to edit with the software. Just click here, download, and this software is really good to edit videos. Now, what I recommend you do, see what these guys are doing. It's very easy what they're doing, and literally look at their keywords. What keywords are they using? You can look right here. Look, these are the keywords that they're using. You want to look at the keywords they're using, because these are the ones that is really trending at the moment. There's meditation music over here, right? Sleep, calm music, right? Relaxing, deep sleep music for sleep, study music, right? Music to help you sleep, peaceful music, meditation for sleeping, sleep meditation, stress relief music, sleep music, right? All of these keywords are really trending at the moment. And so what this person is doing at the moment, she's doing a live right now. You could be doing lives every single day, and that way you don't have to worry about much about editing. You can even use this software, which is this one, OBS, this one right here, where you can do lives to YouTube. And the good thing about it is there's an option where you can have images, change images once in a while, and it will do this effects for you automatically. Actually, you can do this on OBS, right? That's just one option that I want you to know. Then also there's free sites like this one, this website right here. It's called wavesilk.com. This website right here, you can draw, you can draw things with your mouse. You can do all kinds of images like so. And what you could do is you can record your screen and record this effects going on right here. Let me go for new and start all over. So you can record. You can choose the color over here on the left. Let's say yellow. So you would do something like this, and whenever you click, it draws, right? So go like this, do something like this, and as you recording, then you can loop the video, and it just makes it very unique, and you can do all kinds of things like so, right? Now you can add, for example, another color here in the middle, and you could do something different, and you just could playing around with this and just build images that you could play around and then add it into your video, right? So there's also an app that you can use. It's called Silk, this app right here, which you can do this kind of thing. So yeah, that's something really cool you can use. Then you also have this website right here, which is musicvid.org, where you can add all kinds of beat sound effects to the music. And what this website will do, to give an example, let's go to this one. This is really good for this kind of thing. So you would select right here the resolution of the video that you want. Let's go for 7, and then right here you load the audio from your computer. So right here you can load a file from your computer instead of editing on the software. It does everything here. So I'm just gonna use a sample audio. Let's hit play right here. Okay, yeah, let me turn off this one. So as you can see, the beat is playing right there along with the song. You can add the audio, the layers, you can add images, annotations to it. And the good thing, this is free to use. You have all kinds of fonts, types of effects. You have this one right here, right? This one. So you have all kinds of effects that you can use on your videos. So you don't have to really care much about how the image is gonna look like, because you have these done for you things. You just add the audio there. And you can use the software like I use Audition to edit the audio, to put it all together if you were to use this website. But there's our free softwares that you can use for audio, like Audacity. If you Google here Audacity, this is a free software to edit audio, this one. Yeah, this software, free, open source. And the thing, so you grab the audio and you add it to this software. You loop the audio, so it's a 1 hour or 3 hour length, And then once you do it, you save it, and then you come to this website, which is the musicvid.org. You select the effect that you want. And by the way, these things have options. Let me show you. So the thing is, you can come here and you can change the background. You see, you can change let's change the background over here real quick. Okay, I'm gonna add some money at the back. So yeah, the money in the background, and you can change all kinds of things. You can change the layer, just all kinds of stuff. Let's hit play. You can change the colors, just everything here, and you then click export right here, and they will export the final file just ready to go. Because these type of videos, you don't have to do a lot. The only thing you have to do is have some kind of animation going on the video and the music behind. That's it. And then when you upload to YouTube, you want to have the keywords, you want to do your keyword research, but basically just use meditation, these type of keywords, because that's what the video is all related to, right? And then just keep at it every day. Of course, to grow a YouTube channel, it's not overnight. It requires work, it requires time, but it is a great method. It is a great method to make a good income online if you keep at it, if you keep pushing like this person right here, like this channel right here, like I've showed you. It's really crazy what you're doing. I mean, this is really, I mean, loads of people are listening to this meditation kind of music. So if you come here to videos, man, it's like the last 20 videos almost, it's like just pure live. She's doing live right now at the moment because all of these people want to watch the video, right? And what you can do is see what she's doing and literally module it. The channel is called Yellow Brick Cinema Relaxing Music. A channel just like that, keep putting videos and do lives if you want every single day. These videos that she's doing live right here then blow up, then they get loads of views. And for example, this guy right here, which is I follow this guy, by the way, Ralph Smart. This guy, Infinite Waters. By the way, if you don't follow this guy, please follow this guy because he's a really cool dude and you're gonna learn a lot from him. If you are into self-development, if you want to go what's going on right now in the world, this guy will really just open your eyes a little bit. This guy, just to give an example, let's short by and let's go to most popular videos. Look, his most popular videos are the ones that says meditation, deep calming, DNA upgrade, third eye activation. These kind of videos really blow up. And so as you can see, these type of videos really can blow up on YouTube. And it's a really niche that you can tap into it and grow over time and then make a great income from YouTube. Now, if you're looking to making money faster, then I will leave a link below, which is my #1 recommendation, promoting products that people actually want to buy and high ticket products. So you can make, $1,000 commissions. So that's gonna be below. And with that said, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, as I do videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday about making money online and helping you become great. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time for being here with me. Have a blessing day. Always believe in yourself. And I will see you next time.